you ready to level up your English game and become a master of conversations? In today's video, we're bringing you 30 essential English sentences for daily use that will transform you into a fluent speaker in no time. So grab your notebook, sit back, and get ready to impress everyone with your newfound language skills. Can I get a cup of black coffee, please? May I borrow a pencil from you? What a beautiful day it is today. Excuse me, where can I find the milk? Do you have a recommendation for a good book? I'm looking to get in shape. Can you help me with a workout plan? I'd like to book a flight to Paris, please. Could I have the menu, please? I'm confident that I would be a great fit for this job. I've been feeling unwell. Can you help me? Do you have this shirt in different size? I need to send this package to Spain. How much will it cost? I'm looking for a new friend. Do you have any puppies for available? I'd like to change my hairstyle. What would you recommend? I'd like to open a savings account, please. I'm interested in buying a new car. Can you show me some options? This music is fantastic. Let's dance. I'd like to check in my reservation, please. I'm looking for a new phone. Which one would you recommend? Go, team, go. We can win this. The water is so clear and refreshing. Let's go for a swim. The music is amazing. I am having a great time. I'm excited to explore the new career opportunities. The artwork here is stunning. I could spend hours admiring it. I love spending time with my family. They mean everything to me. I have some innovative ideas that could benefit our company. This book has sparked some interesting discussions. I can't wait to share my thoughts. I believe I'm giving back to the community. It's important to help those in need. Learning a new language is a fun and exciting journey. Let's practice together. Do not let that gold opportunity be wasted. Congratulations! You've learned 30 essential sentences for daily use. For more content like this,